Around the house vocabulary. Letterbox, mailbox. There's a policeman standing near the letterbox. Door. A golden key opens every door. Driveway. You can't park here, you're obstructing my driveway. Ridge. We finally reached the crest of the ridge. Roof. The rain seeped through the roof. Satellite dish. Put in a satellite dish and those people can attend meetings anywhere. Window. Would you mind if I closed the window? Garage. She drove the car into the garage. Balcony. She led us to a room with a balcony overlooking the harbor. Basement. In the basement, there's no room to stash. Fence. The house is encircled by a high fence. Bathroom vocabulary. Toothpaste. He squeezed the last bit toothpaste out. Toothbrush. He put his toothbrush down and rinsed his mouth out. Sink. He filled the sink with hot water. Toilet. I need to go to the toilet. Faucet. When I turn a faucet on, water comes out of my shower. He put his toothbrush down and rinsed his mouth out. Bath mat. He cleans the bath mat every week. Mirror. He was looking at her reflection in the mirror. Shower. I'm going to take a shower. Towel. Hang your towel on that hook. Soap. There's no soap in the bathroom. Bucket. I filled the bucket with water. Soapy water. Mary tossed Gideon a towel and plunged her hands into the soapy water in the sink. Trash bag. There was a trash bag down on the ground. Shampoo. What kind of shampoo do you use? Bathtub. I need to clean the bathtub. Mop. She bought a new blue mop. Laundry basket. He takes the laundry to the laundry basket. Washing machine. I often run the washing machine more than once a day. Razor. I forgot to pack my razor. Toilet paper. He asked me to get some toilet paper. Hair dryer. Can I borrow a hair dryer? Comb. We use a comb to tidy our hair. Hanger. I hung my coat up on a hanger. Bedroom furniture. Dressing table. I left it on her dressing table with a note. Air conditioner. Though the air conditioner gave off warm air, he felt cold. Bed. He felt too lazy to get out of bed. Clock. I forbid anyone to touch that clock. Mirror. She was looking at her reflection in the mirror. Curtains. She blinked when I opened the curtains. Picture. She wanted a famous artist to paint her picture. Table lamp. I sat down and he turned on a table lamp. Living room furniture. Floor lamp. I bought a floor lamp in the store. Speaker. He has already bought a new speaker. Telephone. The telephone rang and Pat answered it. Fan. It's so hot, please turn the fan on. Television. Last night they stayed at home and watched television. Remote. Have you seen the remote control for the TV anywhere? Carpet. The floor is covered with a purple carpet. Vase. I'll replace the vase as soon as possible. Sofa. I sat down on the sofa next to Barbara. Table. He set a vase of flowers on the table. Picture. I like this picture.